What's the meaning of clamor? Clamor. Clamor.
Clamour. Clamour. The word clamor refers to a loud and persistent noise or outcry from a group of people. This can take the form of shouting, screaming, or other vocal expressions of discontent or agitation. The result of clamor can vary depending on the context, but it often indicates a sense of urgency or protest. Clamor can be used for both positive and negative purposes, as it can be a tool for rallying support or expressing dissent. Overall, the term implies a sense of commotion and a need for attention.